Welcome to Woodcut Tech, where technology meets the art of woodworking. Here you'll discover modern woodcutting techniques and useful tips to upgrade your workshop. Let's kick off a creative journey with precise and refined cut. TMK 200, compact but far from weak. With the ability to cut trees up to 200 millimeters, it handles the job like a hot knife through butter. Whether mounted on a mini excavator or a snowmobile, the TMK 200 delivers power and precision, perfect for clearing, thinning, or small-scale forestry work. Small in size, big on performance, the TMK 200 is the tool you'll always want in your arsenal. Allback 2000, the no-compromise wood chipper. When you need peak performance, it's ready to devour large logs and spit out chips like a waterfall. With an incredibly powerful engine and unimaginable processing speed, it's all packed into a design optimized for heavy-duty work. Not only fast, but it also maximizes your time and cost savings. This is not just a machine, it's a performance monster. Are you ready to unleash this beast on your job site? The pendulum blade cutter is truly a simple yet powerful invention. It cuts as fast and cleanly as a knife through butter, piles up finished products in the blink of an eye, and saves a lot of money. There is only one small drawback. It would be even better if it were upgraded with a safety shield. This is definitely a powerful assistant for woodworking shops that need speed and efficiency. Do you think the manufacturer should listen to this feedback? Who knew such a tiny claw could crush hardwood logs like eggshells? The Groenebel Hal Killer, the ultimate log slayer, delivers 30 tons of splitting force with millimeter precision, powerful yet smooth as a hot knife through butter. No chainsaw needed, no sweat wasted, just one mighty crack and logs split in half. Have you ever seen raw power look this graceful? This is modern forestry at its finest, fast, clean, and effortless. Only one snail can tear apart giant logs as easily as cutting a cake. Lasco Cone Splitter, the wizard who turns tree stumps with tangled roots into beautiful firewood like high-end wooden furniture. No need for an axe, no effort, just control the excavator gently like playing a game. Absolutely safe, clean, no debris. Especially does not hurt your back. This is how smart people handle wood. Are you ready to upgrade? Cat 323. More than just an excavator, it's a true powerhouse. Equipped with a 172 horsepower Cat C7.1 engine, it conquers everything from tough roots to the harshest terrains. Its powerful arm reaches out like a steel warrior in the wild. Unmatched performance, absolute reliability. The Cat 323 is built to do the extraordinary. Ready for the toughest jobs. Cat 323, unstoppable power. The Dopstat DZ750 Combi is a top-tier multi-purpose shredder designed to efficiently handle tough materials like large wood pieces, tree roots, and construction waste. With a powerful two-stage shredding system, it delivers outstanding performance and durability in all working conditions. Its high-powered engine, combined with smart control technology, ensures fuel efficiency without compromising effectiveness. The flexible design, easy operation, and low maintenance make the DZ750 Combi an ideal choice for professional recycling operations. It is the ultimate solution for the toughest challenges in the material processing industry. The Deming Logging Exhibition isn't just a show. It's a full-throttle symphony of brute force and precision. Chainsaws roar like wild beasts, their blades slicing through massive timber like hot knives through butter. V8 engines bellow, spewing smoke and sawdust into the air as loggers, muscled and relentless, wrestle with monstrous logs. Every cut is a calculated strike, a dance of controlled destruction. This isn't a competition. It's pure, unfiltered adrenaline, where man and machine declare their dominion over nature.
There we go!
Witness the devastating, root-annihilating power of the stump grinder. With its powerful, independent engine, this beast delivers terrifying torque, pulverizing even the most stubborn stumps in seconds. Watch as razor-sharp blades reduce wood to splinters. Nothing stands a chance. This isn't just a tool, it's a war machine for those who dare to challenge nature. This isn't just a machine, it's an absolute beast. With terrifying towing power, it shreds through treacherous terrain like a hot knife through butter. Massive logs? Mere child's play for this unstoppable monster. No fancy looks needed. True power radiates from every relentless rotation, from unshakable stability. This is the perfect definition of silent power. When you're this strong, there's no need to show off. When When the earth turns steel hard and time becomes your enemy, the Hitachi 200 emerges like a legendary beast. Its razor-sharp reaper blades claw through the toughest surfaces with terrifying power. The jaw-dropping part? This machine devours rock and soil like a starving tiger, yet sips fuel like a house cat. This is engineering sorcery, where brutal force meets impossible efficiency in perfect harmony. SP Fever 14, the stump removal machine that devours tree stumps as effortlessly as a kid eating ice cream. Just press a button, and its razor-sharp blades will nibble through stubborn wood layers with astonishing smoothness. No dust, no sweat, just the satisfying crunch of splintering wood, sounding like a victory symphony. This isn't work. It's a masterclass in high-end stump removal technology. Pezolato PTH 1200 isn't just a wood chipper. It's the most fearsome monster machine in the timber industry. With a 300-plus horsepower engine and massive steel blades, it shreds 70-centimeter logs as easily as you'd tear scrap paper. Every operation is a jaw-dropping performance. Wood transforms into mulch in just 3 seconds, achieving a staggering 50 tons-hour output, 5 times more than conventional chippers. This isn't just a tool, it's an earthquake that redefines all productivity standards. From the ashes of post-war Britain rose the Marcanel 10 DCR. Not merely a saw bench, but a phoenix reborn for the timber industry. With blades sharp as Excalibur's sword, it sliced through the hardest logs like parchment in a single stroke. Its stainless steel frame wrote symphonies of resilience with every cut. This engineering masterpiece forced the world to kneel, ultimate proof of Britain's indomitable spirit. This wood splitter is a true artist of wood grain. With its super sharp, heat-treated steel wedge blade, it splits even the most twisted wood grain like butter, smooth to the millimeter. The 20mm solid steel frame design absorbs shock, ensuring absolute safety even when operating continuously for 8 hours. Capacity of 5 tons per hour, 10 times that of a manual axe. This is not just a machine, but a powerful assistant that turns wood splitting from a chore into a joy. The ChipMax 484 VR, the undisputed king of mobile wood chippers. Mounted on a heavy-duty Volvo chassis, this beast devours 140 tons of wood per hour, equivalent to clearing 1 hectare of pine forest in just 2 hours. Its 6-wheel all-wheel drive system grips terrain like mountain boots, conquering 1-meter deep swamps and 45-degree slopes with ease. Armed with 15-centimeter tungsten steel blades, nothing can stop its relentless shredding. This isn't just equipment. It's the Ferrari of mobile wood chippers. This machine is the embodiment of brutal destruction. Each terrifying rotation of its steel blades screams like a demon's roar, shredding the hardest logs into sawdust in the blink of an eye. Just 0.5 seconds of distraction, and you could pay with your life. This isn't your ordinary wood chipper. It's the Reaper's machine that demands absolute respect. Witness the power. This tractor-mounted log splitter is an absolute beast of the forests. With its ultra-durable steel cone blade, it tears through 20-inch logs as easily as you'd bite into a hot dog. Just 2 RPM, but each split packs earth-shaking power. This is mechanical wizardry crafted by skilled hands, simple yet outperforming all standards. Red hot, piping hot like glowing coals, you've got to see its raw power to believe it.
Tam si sám přidává, vidíš?
No hydraulics needed, just leverage, rusted steel, and 2 guys who don't flinch at splinters. This old-school mechanical splitter packs just 15 pounds of force, but it tears through eucalyptus like it's butter. Aussie hardwood, mulched in seconds flat. While the 21-inch chipper's still warming up, these 2 are already done and dusted. This isn't just wood splitting, this is muscle-powered craftsmanship. This old-school wood splitter still crushes 16-inch logs like it's stuck in 1985. No touchscreen, no sensors, just raw steel and a deep grudge against firewood. It screams, it cracks, and the wood splits like it's being punished. No high-tech nonsense, just muscle, rust, and pure stubbornness. Out here, fire needs wood, and the wood doesn't get to choose how it dies. Here is our 22-ton horizontal log splitter, a powerhouse of strength and efficiency for heavy-duty woodwork. Equipped with a hydraulic log lifter and knife lift, it minimizes effort while maximizing productivity. Built to split even the toughest logs with ease, it's the perfect partner for demanding professionals. Robust, reliable, and user-friendly, experience pure performance. Thank you for watching Woodcut Tech. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you won't miss the next ones. See you in the upcoming videos. Stay creative and passionate about woodworking.